Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I made my turkey stew. Over here the meat that I'm going to use is already washed and is good to go. So over here I have I don't know much about it, but it's a seasoner that was brought to me from Nigeria. They call it Mevina. I think is a kind of all-purpose seasoning for your meat. So I have a spoon of it over here. I'm adding it to it. I'm adding my own, the one I'm used to is all-purpose seasoner as well. I'm just gonna add a little bit of it, and then I have the oregano. I'm gonna add a little bit of oregano to the meat, and also I have a little bit of rosemary. I usually like to add rosemary to my meat, so I'm adding rosemary. Is a kind of seasoner. Now I'm going to add my onion. Sprinkle my onion to it, and I have salt. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and I have to cover it and let it cook. I'm not going to add water for now until it cooks for about 5 to 10 minutes, because I believe the turkey already has a couple of water in it, so I want to cook it with the water in it, and when I feel like adding more I'll go ahead and do that. So now I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook. So yes, my meat is ready. So at this point I will go ahead and start on the stew. Yeah, so now I have to start frying the stew. I'm going to use coconut oil. I just decided to use that. The pan is ready. So I'm gonna wait for it to heat up a little bit, because this is coconut oil. I don't want it to bleach that much. But then I'm going to add is a Maggi chicken nugget. I usually do this to season my oil. Then I go ahead and add my onion, and my salt, adding a little bit of salt. I have my curry. I'm adding a little bit of curry, and I'm going to stir it around. At this point I'm going to add my blended tomatoes with onion, pepper, and the bell pepper. So I will give it some minutes to cook. Now I'm going to cover it up to cook properly. Okay, let's see. All right, I think the tomatoes are cooked. At this point I'm going to add the tomato paste. going to cover it for this to cook a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the meat and the stock together. And I will give it another 10 minutes for the meat to absorb the sauce. Okay, like the stew, for the meat to absorb it, and after that I think that is it. Okay guys, my stew is ready. Thank you so much. Thank you all for coming along with me. Thank you for staying put. And with this, I will come to an end to the video. Please guys, if you don't have me, do not hesitate to subscribe to me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share me with your friends or your family, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be among the first to know. Thank you so much, and I do appreciate till I upload another video. Bye.